All right, what's flying, you guys? Okay, so I just got delivered in the brand new Hawkeye Firefly camera. As if you've been following me, you know that I've been having some issues with my HD camera. It hasn't been working out so well. Tons of jello, and just the camera, the lens size just wasn't working out. So this one should hopefully be a little bit better. And so I have it right here. In a few seconds, you're going to see me jump in time back to go unbox it. But yes, so this camera, let's go and let's unbox it and then let's try it out. All right, so we got the main box. So let's get it cut open. Okay, so we have it tore open. Let's take this out and see how this is. Okay, so what do we have going on here? Well, first and foremost, the box is a little bit beat up on delivery. That kind of sucks, but I mean, this thing did just come from China, so I mean, I guess as long as it's in one piece, that's what I care about. Okay, so let's get this out. Box is empty, so we got our manual, although this thing works just like any other camera pretty much, it seems like. And let's see, so first and foremost, this is out, so we have the Firefly. So the Hawkeye Firefly, this is, I've been interested in this. A lot of people have been saying it's pretty good for the price. It was only like 20 bucks, if that. It does 720p, 1080p at like 30 frames per second. It comes with an actual mount already, which is nice because I hate mounts. It has some other just standard, mounts, which I have hundreds of these. I don't need more of these. So you can put it to a tripod of sorts. We have all of the actual cords. And that seems to be about it in the package. Okay, so yeah, that's the rundown. That's everything. Okay, so we popped him out. Now with that, you do get the camera itself, the ports to put in any SD cards, things like that, charge port. It's a pretty straightforward camera. But yeah, let's get this out into the field and let's give her a try.